Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. I'm going to be doing this 12 by 16 inch canvas on black. So I've gone ahead and laid down my black, and I'm only going to be using two colors. So it's going to be red and I think I'm going to stop around about there. And then I'm going to use this beautiful luminous yellow. Now that red is Pebbio. Oh, I think this is also Pebbio. It's a more like it's a lemon, a luminous kind of lemon color. It really is striking. Just put a little bit on the outer edge over there. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe I didn't have enough paint. It is a little bit on the thick side, so that could be it as well. So just want to put down a bit more. I love the cells that are popping up already, are amazing. Okay, let's give that another go. Okay, I'm going to give this a blow. Hopefully not have any accidents today. Ideally I'd like that a bit more that way. Yeah, that's looking beautiful, and I really would like to blow some of that up a bit more to the corner, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to turn this around without making a big mess. Let's put that there. And hopefully you guys will still be in shot. That is so beautiful. Right, so I wanted this to look like one petal, not two. So I'm going to try and give that a blow. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. Let me give that a torch. And then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So guys, I am so happy with the way this turned out. I just absolutely love those petals over there and over here. Those beautiful cells. This turned out way better than I expected. And that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a whole heap of cells in there as well. And those beautiful yellow, bright yellow lines going through the center. And all that lacing, that there is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then of course this one here. Love it. And again, I just love all that yellow that's gone through. These cells over here, they are black with red rings, and some of them actually have yellow rings around the red as well. It really is beautiful. Well guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you take care, and I'll see you in the next one. If you are keen on purchasing any of my artwork, you can please email me on withBade@gmail.com. Thanks guys. Bye.